For you to say that I am talking fuckery, that shows that you're an idiot.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Alkaline, I don't consider Alkaline as a dancehall artist.
A few moments later.
Alkaline fans are not dancehall fans, you know.
So like a skilly bang.
Alkaline fans are not dancehall fans.
I agree.
You let me move your pussy wall and come down.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox. How the latest news them like?
I don't know, one Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man, you know what things said. But people, you don't know your strips already. See? Big up, respect for the support, you don't know. But people, if you don't realize what's going on in media right now, Alkaline, what you call it? The Alka rhythm right now. Anybody forward out or call Alkaline or anything, them are gonna go viral. So, Triple X, him just a ride the wave right now. Just a call Alkaline to get back. You understand? To get back a little attention and bag of thing. But we are going to video and make you know you are going.
Come to the cliched ones like Alkaline, Massacre.
Alright, you see Alkaline.
New generation, you have to go for that.
You see Alkaline. I don't consider Alkaline as a dancehall artist. Me personally, I consider.
They consider them to be.
I alternative.
Okay.
Me consider Alkaline. To me, Alkaline a dimension of his own. Alkaline fans are not dancehall fans. You know?
So like a skilly bang.
Alkaline.
Yo, these are the things. Yo, you know some more while me hear people say that youth, yeah, him into it. Him intelligent and bag of things, see? I mean, this is one of the dumbest statement for me, brother. You go say, you no consider Alkaline as a dancehall artist and him fans them on a dancehall. Brother, you hear what you just say? That's one of the dumbest statement for me. Because, bro, a dancehall man though, you see Alkaline do Afrobeat and R&B? I don't understand that, brother. That's one of the dumbest statement for me, bro. You see me? Better you did say, yo, you see Alkaline, him not a part of the dancehall thing. Better you did say that. But when you go say he's not a dancehall artist or him fans, better you say, yo, him not within the normal dancehall thing, like the system. Better you say that. Better you say him in a own lane by himself. Like better you say, yo, him in a own lane in the dancehall space. Rather than you say you're the man and you not see him as a dancehall artist, brother. You know what the worst thing, people? You know where this makes sound familiar like? This come like when them say Sean Paul no do dancehall, Shaggy them no do dancehall. Are the same thing. Them not consider them as dancehall artists and all of these things. I see them thing me I tell the people. You see it? But you know why them say them something here? Because the artists them not within feed them system. You understand? The man of them system the way artists usually call up on stage and artists are endorse artists and all of them things, you see me? Yeah, but listen what I say.
Fans are not dancehall fans.
Agreed.
Alkaline fans are Alkaline fans.
Okay.
Me I tell you this straight, bro. Nobody will rate Alkaline or rate nobody else. Anybody rate Alkaline alone. There's no other artist.
Yo, I don't know, brother. I feel like when you do this, brother, you make it look like Alkaline fans them, bro. Like some like bad fans, like them not listen to other. What you try say? You are trying to say Alkaline fans don't listen to Alkaline? Bro, them listen to other songs. What you talk about? Yeah, make it sound like say, yo, Alkaline alone, like every day. Me talk about when them go party. You tell me say when them go party. You feel like say them a listen to Alkaline song alone and them a move to Alkaline song? Bass pan. Alright, me know say no Alkaline alone playing a party. You have different artists. And them are going to rate other artists' music, yes. So when you say, only Alkaline alone, them listen to, brother. I feel like that statement the way you make, I have to make the Vendetta people them look bad. Do you understand? That's how I feel. Yeah, make it look. I will not say you're Gaza, man. You see me? That's why you make them statement, yeah. But I'm madness that dog. You see me?
Anybody will say Vendetta, there is no other artist apart from Alkaline.
And if the other artists are going to started, like in a Massacre.
Them don't even like Alkaline artists. Alkaline fans, them don't even like Mother.
True, man.
Yeah, tell them, bro.
True, man.
Alkaline fans, them only like Alkaline.
These are called similar to that.
Yo, people, want to know this, you know. A big corruption man I try there, so, you know. Big corruption this, you know. You understand? I want to, yo, a bad reputation, information this, bro. I tell you. If you say them something, bro, you make it look like say Alkaline fans them are the worst, bro. You understand? That's so me see it right now. You see me? That me I tell you, cause right now, the Gaza people them, you remember one time, me I talk to some Gaza youth, and me say, yo, I saw you think setting a one dancehall. The man them say, yo, and a one dancehall, a card, vice cartel. So me no know what I say, brother. The man them no business about dancehall, that's why them deal with the rest of the artists, them and bill it to them, so. You see me? That me I tell you, only artists them prep up I want them about to them. You see it?
Gaza still. Gaza fan them listen to
Tell a man say Alkaline is not a dancehall artist. Alkaline is an artist in himself. He created his own genre of music. If you really and truly look on it from the inception of Alkaline, from him bust till now, the entire dance is like the antichrist of dancehall. Dancehall has always been against the man from then up until now. And the man find him own a lane and build him own a fame. So you cannot categorize that man as a dancehall artist. Anybody will say Alkaline is a dancehall artist, now look on the psychology of it. Zin?
Yo, me no know that. Me no know that, brother. You sit down. A two Gaza man there, but bro, you constantly say some crazy stuff, bro. Like, you are gonna say Alkaline and a dancehall artist, brother. You know, consider, bro. But you say, yo, the man in him own a lane, dog. You see me? But you say that, brother. But you say the man in him own a lane. You see me? Own a lane, bro. Him have him own a system and them little thing. The bass man, him own a, you see me? Own a community, own a every little thing. You see it? Him have him shows them and all of them little thing there, you see me? But they say that, but when you say Alkaline is not a dancehall artist, bro, it just always remind me what them say about Sean Paul and Shaggy. Yeah, man.
True, I agree with you. I agree with you. Alright, and final question now. 5.
Compare themselves to Alkaline, you start hate them automatically. You see, if anybody even mention anything that you deem as insulting to Alkaline, you hate them like poison. Or if you used to have them in your phone, you delete out every song out what them have. If you used to say, yo, me like that song, you automatically hate that song there. Once anybody go against Alkaline, if you're an Alkaline fan, me I tell you this straight. Once the person cross Alkaline in any way, them hate Alkaline like poison. First of all, me know a couple of Vendetta man. Real, me not talk about the man when I jump up and down them. Me not talk about man in the Vendetta circle. Me know a couple of them man there. And them man they hate me like poison. Me have the reason why them hate me like poison. Because them man they, you know them man they hate me? Them man they hate me because me openly say, being a man, a Vibes Cartel.
Yeah, brother. Them not gonna rate you, bro. Them not gonna rate you, brother. You say Gaza and you rate Beanie Man and Gaza thing. Right now, Gaza not to rate Beanie Man. You understand? And you have to remember this, bro. Remember, say, the people them who been through the fight. You understand? The same Beanie Man, the same look Gaza thing, brother. Remember that. Remember, say, them time when Beanie Man a fouled out and I say, yo, Alkaline say him nah perform for Dirty Jamaica. Remember him Alkaline never link her. Really say, yo, sit down and chat like no friend for him hear that. Alkaline did not even do in a Jamaica like that. You understand? So, him did a try ride the Gaza wave, because them time they must sing song and I say, yo, anything if you say a Gaza, me say. So, them time that him a try get the Gaza thing and I try mash up the youth brand. You understand? I say, youth no want to perform for this. That's why youth forward with new rules. You have to understand it, bro. I saw it go. If you as a human and say somebody have fight you for years and all of them little thing, the brother, what you expect? Nah, go rate you, bro. Cause if you're the man, them have bridging and every little thing. And them, as a man, grow up and see the fight where the youth get under them artists. What you expect? You see me? I saw it go, brother. You see it? A representation, no, bro. Representation. Cause remember, say Alkaline not do nothing to them, man. He not do nothing to them. Him just forward and get the attention of the people them and just do music. And them forward out to fight the youth. You understand? Them not even say, you do it. This or that. The youth say respect every artist in a dancehall. Just because him not show Cartel special ratings, it's cause all of this. Because them want every artist to bow down to Cartel. You understand? And that cause everything.
But me know them. Me respect them and them respect me. But them hate me. Even though them chat to me, them hate me. Because them man they are real Racha Vendetta affiliates. The people never come up and say, oh, I rate Alkaline artists, but I still listen Cartel. Move your bumper ass clad. Nobody. We have Vendetta fan no listen Cartel. None tall. Them no listen Bounty Killer. None tall. No way, no how. Camille, none tall.
You see, the thing is that, brother, you have to understand. Where you talk, and every Vendetta fan stay so. You see it? And remember, say, brother, if them do stay so, see, is a reason why them stay so. You see me? At the end of the day, we have Vendetta people where rate Alkaline, rate them, listen to other people's music. Bro, you have to understand, bro, it's not like the people them in them house every day. Them go party, you know. Other song are playing party, that. So what you try to say? If you go say, on a daily basis, Yeah, me understand with that, them will listen Alkaline. But if them go party and Ray, seeing, of course, a music. Them a bust blank and say, yo, that's that. It's what I try to say, but if a rivalry or something forward up and all of them little thing there, brother. I saw it go with every fans. When Alkaline play, Gaza people, them not real, them not do this. I saw it go any artist where rival and fans are rival, brother. I see him thing. Yeah, make it seem like say Alkaline fans alone do that. You see me? But you have to understand, say, bro, them money have been a fight the youth. Them money and them camp been a fight the youth. Narrate the youth for no reason. Ask Gaza fan why them really not to rate Alkaline. Just because Alkaline bow down to Vice Cartel, a question was asked. If Cartel array, seeing mentor or whatsoever, and the youth say, yo, no. You see me, but him respect Vice Cartel like any other artist. So he must say, yo, no special. Remember, you know, no special. Me fear one day Vice Cartel is not a dancehall artist or is an artist who put music out there. I don't know what's so special about Vice Cartel from the rest of the artists them. We had do music. Them a do music. Vice Cartel maybe talent from them, but there's no special ratings from no artist. Cause at the end of the day, Vice Cartel contribute to dancehall like all of the other rest of artists them contribute to dancehall. This is what I try to say. It's still a contribution. So there's no special ratings or special this. That's what Alkaline say, yo, or how you feel about Vice Cartel or one bag thing. That's the question them ask the youth. And the youth say, yo, him not really feel nothing about. What kind of question that? Or you ask a youth, a little youth, how him feel about a next man. You understand? So the youth say, yo, me not really, feel him thing about no man. You see me? Me don't know what kind of question that. You see it? Better you ask one question and say, yo, if you see Cartel as a talented artist or something like so, but when you go say about that, anybody would answer the question, so bro. And just to, and then him forward out to the next interview and say, yo, you know see Cartel as, you make him seem like a normal artist. Me say, what? Brother, Cartel contribute music, bro. You see me? I just that are the thing. We don't want people for out here praise Cartel and all of them little thing there, brother. You see me? Cartel contribute to dancehall. Seem like every other artist. I saw it go. Artists contribute to the music, to the industry, to the culture. You see it? So that cause everything.
Real Alkaline fans, them not listen them man, they none at all. No matter what the song be. Anybody with this Alkaline, them man, they not listen them none at all. The song could have been the baddest song. Them man, they not bust no blank to the song. Them man, they not real to the song. Them man, they not give the song no blood clot forward. And it's not, say the man, them corrupt. You see, una only thing surface level.
But bro, let me tell you, brother, the way how you attack, you make it seems like a Alkaline fans alone sound so G. You understand? At that, you say Gaza. I see him thing Gaza, man, brother. I see back in the days when Alkaline just forward out. You think the Gaza people them want hear Alkaline song? All the DJ them not even that play Alkaline song with the Gaza, bro. Most of the DJ them kind of pick them side with the Gaza thing. You see me? Them never play Alkaline like that. You see me? So I saw it go, brother. Every fan base, every artist fan base, I saw them go on. Once a rivalry and this artist, them now go meds at the artist, dog. I saw it thing go. Yeah, make it seem like a Vendetta people alone say so.
Think about where them money come from. In 2013 when Alkaline just come a road, brother. And them man they say Alkaline. All of them people will say Alkaline. The entire community where them they live in, they eat Alkaline. And about not Alkaline. When them man they say Alkaline in 2013, 2014, 2015, if them live on a road, so them live in a scheme. So them live in a one scheme. And the scheme where them live in, you say you live on a Portmore, Greater Portmore, you live in a one scheme. You live on a road. You and probably one other person, or probably you are the only person on the road there, where they say Vendetta.
No, but you know what the worst thing, people? I'm glad him talk something, I'm glad say him show up what really did I go on back then with the Alkaline thing. I'm glad, Yeah, I'm glad with that information there for sure say, yo, where did I go on back then? When Alkaline there in the street and everything and everybody kind of team up on a this and a that and you see what I'm trying to say? So for sure you say, yo, the youth fight him way through and do him thing and put in him work. You see it?
Real Vendetta fans, only me a reason with now. You can't come tell me go something, man. I'm in a business. Only me a reason now. In 2013 and 2014, 2015, when you are representing the Vendetta, talk truth. You was one of the uncle man them in your community or by your road where you live on as a Vendetta. Every man else, when you come out in your Vendetta mask, when When you come out in a Vendetta mask and be a man talk about, yo, move your bumbo clock, brother, brother artist and one bag of fucker and disrespect you, and you still represent Vendetta, irrespective of the fact that the whole entire crowd was against you. Alive, I tell?
So you see it now. It's the same thing with Alkaline. Everybody was against the youth, although the youth never do. Let me tell you why. You see, Alkaline fighting a dancehall is like, when you check it, to me, it's like, it's just that the youth, just because the youth want to be himself, and him now want to bow to the system, and that's why. Remember, you know, enough artists when them for them that this and next artist, or this or that. Alkaline never diss nobody. You see me? Alkaline say, yo, Vice Cartel a talented artist. You see me? Him respect Vice Cartel like any other artist. At that, you know. But true, the artists them usually found out, yo, Cartel, I'm a god. Yo, Vice Cartel, I don't even know. Yo, Vice Cartel is a praises thing. But true, Alkaline found out I never do that. You understand? Because that them try to do with the youth them. So at that cause everything. You see me? Yeah, that cause everything. You see it? So I just one of them things that's like the industry never like youths back in them days. Them never want young youths boss unless some artists introduce them youth to society or to the system or whatsoever. If you forward as a youth seem like Alkaline and you want just be yourself and do your own thing, them not like that. You see me? Them not like that. Me I tell you that, people. You see it?
I got school, probably about 5 men alone in your class alone. I say Vendetta. Everybody else say Gaza, Gully, Bounty Killer. Everybody else say everybody else say and a cussing and a talk about and a waste man. Me know because me remember me I got school them time there. Me remember. Is why the man them loyal to Alkaline. So it's because them man they go through the same trials and tribulation Alkaline go through for boss. Them man they wave Vendetta flag when it was not popular. Them man they see the potential in Alkaline before anybody. At them time when Alkaline boss, you take them days. You take me about them days. So me I tell us me see it. Vendetta's fans them no switch that no matter what the man them ride with Alkaline. Right, true, brother. The man them not Lego Alkaline shirt, brother. Anybody will violate, anybody will step up and even mention the man them eat Anthony Miller. For what reason? I don't know.
Brother, let me tell you, brother, because you not understand enough. Vendetta people them rate Alkaline. But you see music, you have to understand, bro. Them connect to Alkaline through music, bro. You see, the song them Alkaline sing when he might get the fight in a dancehall, them grow with the music. It inspire them as a fan through them struggles and tribulation. You have to understand, bro. You see me? Some of the Gaza people, them brother, some of them don't really say Gaza because of cartel music. Or because some of them just afraid for the backlash. You see me? Them just, alright, we are run with this. And just because of the hype and the clout and the controversy make some of them say Gaza. I tell you, because right now, if Vice Cartel never come from prison, enough of them would have switched up and gone and this and that. You understand? The Vendetta people them connect to Alkaline through them music. Through music. Because of that are the only thing him kind of really give him fans them on a daily basis. Music. Him not show them lifestyle and them thing there. And no bag of controversy. Through music. So you have to understand, bro. Alkaline motivation change them life. Make them become a different person. So look at now. If this a person that changed my life, be it by listening to him music. You understand? They might go there and defend the artist and they the right show. All if Alkaline and drop no bag of song. But they might go remember say, yo, them grow with Alkaline music. You see me? That's the difference. Some of the Gaza people, them a Clout them run with. Clout. Some of them just say Gaza just say Gaza. You see me? Rather than the backlash and every little thing. Some of them are just wagonists. Some of them rate Alkaline. Some of them say Alkaline when they run Alkaline people them. Some of them say Gaza when they run the Gaza people them. Then wishy-washy. You see me? If you hear them talk, yo, God, get forward from prison, you know. Yo, man buy this, you know, man buy that. And then now buy cartel music, then now listen to it. You understand? Like I remember, you know, cartel mostly show them in lifestyle more than in music. In lifestyle. You see me? Then watch. They remember the cartel show them everything from teachers, pet, this, that. You man see them now, all of them little things. That's what they see. Cartel buy house, that's what them see. And no music. You see me? I saw it go. But Alkaline fans them grow through music because that him really make them know about and put out there. You see me? That's why them dead no matter what. Because them grow with Alkaline music, motivate, upgrade them life. You see it?
As a neutral man, the man they don't give a fuck, bro. When I don't jump and talk about say, oh, Triple X a fucker I talk about. Me a Vendetta artist, I'm a Ricket other artist. I am not saying that you don't listen to other artists and you don't consume other artists' music. But if push come to shove and you have to choose, there is no choice. There is no even thought of a choice. There is no even understanding. And if it doesn't matter, no man, Vendetta man them is so dark. The man they don't have no understanding. There is no, it's like one man we say Gaza and a Gaza man we still listen Alkaline. No Vendetta man, no listen Gaza.
Yo, may I tell you so that brother here, you know. True is a Gaza man, you know. True is a Gaza man. Brother, you have to understand that the fans them grew up on the fight with Alkaline. You understand? You still have fans out there where we say, alright, Cartel do him thing in our business. You see me? But them now go listen Vice Cartel on a daily basis, bro. You see me? If them going to a party, yeah. Them a listen Cartel. You see me? Nothing wrong with music. Remember the Cartel in a game before Alkaline, you know, bro. You see it? But you have to understand, say, bro, if you see Vendetta people in my move, so because of the fight and every little thing. Yeah, Gaza man, some Gaza man, and not every Gaza man. We listen to Alkaline. You see me? Remember, you know? Remember, say, I know Alkaline did that fight the Gaza, you know? I Gaza did that fight Alkaline. Alkaline just fought in a game and just had him own a thing. But the Gaza just feel like, say, them him this Cartel, which Alkaline never this Cartel. Him say him respect Vice Cartel, him respect who did it before him. You see me? True, them in them feelings now, and them used to the praises with God. Them do Alkaline for come say, yo, Gaza, you know, yo, the Cartel a special artist, really, and that them did want, so them never get that now. In their mind, them feel like, because this is the thing, you know, is how Winford asks the question, you know. Because when him forward back, you know, he must say, yo, you just make it look like a Cartel or some regular artist, this and that, Ray. And that, you know. Then Alkaline say, no. Vice Cartel a great artist, me no want it, make it look like say him not rate artist and Ray. But Alkaline say, yo, we no want me say. You understand? We not push the man narrative for try say Gaza or something. Because we keep on talk about this special thing with Cartel. When you have how much artists in a dancehall move out everybody. You understand? So that was the problem. You see me? When Alkaline for him never diss Cartel, bro. It's just a question where them ask Alkaline weird. They know what kind of question that them never ask the right question, bro. You see it?
You have man who say Gaza we still listen Alkaline. I'm not gonna lie to you, I tell you straight. Gaza man out we still listen Alkaline and rate Alkaline and play Alkaline in them vehicle. No Vendetta man, nah play no Gaza artist, not even Popcorn, no Bumbo Clout body, no Family, no nobody, them not play in them car. No, they not play nobody from Gaza side in them car. None. If you hear a man say, oh, him say Vendetta, I just hear him play Cartel, him is not, them man they just start say Alkaline.
Brother, I saw a thing go. You see me? At the end of the day, bro, what you say, you know 100% correct. Because at the end of the day, dog, if Vendetta people in them car, and Alkaline are them artists, them are just listen to Alkaline, them listen to other artists, bro. But you have to remember, say, brother, something where them grew up on, bro. Especially in this time now, when Cartel found out and them still had worse, I tried this Alkaline and all, it even not go worse, bro. I saw it go, brother. You seem like if you have a family, and them man they are this your family and Ray. You know, you gotta stop support if you usually buy one shop over this and the same shopkeeper this your family. You're not gonna support the shop again, brother. You understand? You're not support the shop, you're not gonna go the shop again. I saw it go. You see me? I saw it thing go, brother. You see it? At the end of the day, now, bro. Some of the Gaza people, you know. Seeing? And I really Cartel music, them really did that say Gaza for some of the time. So when you hear them I listen to Alkaline more while. You see me? Them just rate say yo the youth talented. You see me? Them talented, bro. You see it? So I just that Alkaline a talented artist, so him do good music. I saw it thing go. Yeah. Vendetta people in one party. You see me? And Cartel a play, what them a go do? You see it? Some of them will listen. I remember say them all listen song way before Alkaline fought in the game. You see it? But them now go remember the fight where the youth go through and all of them little thing like that. You see me? I saw it thing go. It's just a different atmosphere. If one general party, then we listen to Cartel based on yo, them go a general party. But if it's a party where them control of, them not gonna play. Them not want to play Cartel like that. Some of them. You see me? I just saw a thing said, bro. You have to remember, you know, brother. The fight where the youth go through, you know, people are gonna remember them thing, there, brother. You have to remember that. Cause remember this, you know, bro. Remember say Usain Bolt pay boom if you play be Gaza, you know. Because of Alkaline, no, brother. You have to remember them thing there, you know, dog. So Gaza people them did that do that. You see me? You're not seeing no Vendetta people pay nobody if you not play Cartel. You see me? You have to remember that, bro. Them always a try to do something to try to black out Alkaline. Alkaline, we not do that. You see, we just know say alright. We not too rare, so we're gonna allow that.
TikTok reporter, me I tell you straight. Me I tell you straight. Anybody where you hear say them a vendetta and you hear them a listen, no Gaza song. Them man there, just a start listen Alkaline. None of the man them we are listen Alkaline from we are set Alkaline from 2013, 2014. Them man they know there is anybody with this vendetta, them man they done with them, wrap up and put in a rubbish. Them man they not give a fuck about them.
Yeah, you're right with that. Like people who say vendetta, them now if them they are them yard and I listen music, they not gonna listen to Cartel. If them go party now and Cartel a play, cause them a control it and for them territory, them are dead, them a listen. You understand? That's how the thing go. You see it. It goes with every fan, brother. You see it. In them look owner scene, in them car, in them house, a vendetta them all listen to. Them not gonna listen to Cartel. And a Cartel of them artists. Same with the Gaza people them. Same with the Crocs. Same with the other fan base them, bro. That's how it go.
Can't tell them man them nothing about them man. First of all, if you tell them man them say, yo, dog, me not tell you that new Tamil. First of all, the man them look at me and say, who name so? Who name so? I don't know who name so. Them man they don't even call Tamil name out of them mouth, bro. Them man they don't even call Bounty Killer by him right name. If another artist did have the run over the last 5 or 6 years like what Alkaline.
Yo, I tell you, the man make it look like say it's a general statement, bro. I know who like vendetta people them stay so dog. You understand? Every vendetta people stay so, brother. You see me? I know every brother. Man I say nobody not call Tamili by Tamili name and not call Bounty. Oh what? Yo. That you with your brother, me I tell you, man make it vendetta people them look bad, bro. Me I tell you that. You see me? And I remember, bro, remember back in the days with the Gaza thing, you never have much vendetta people for defend the thing, you know. Now you have enough people for defend the vendetta now. Una try to make it look bad, but when the Gaza did that, go on with the antics back in the days, una never say Gaza did bad or attack. You understand? That me I try to show when Gaza back then never did that listen to Alkaline, none at all and Ray. Una never say none. But now when the vendetta thing get large now, you see me? And can defend themselves, una make it seem like them bad and all of them thing there. So I wanna stay, brother.
Have them gonna lose the whole of them fan base. However, irrespective of the fact that Alkaline don't have any song where a chart in a Jamaica like that for the past 6 years, apart from the last couple of songs they might come out, his fan base is with him right through his YouTube views.
Yo, man, so Alkaline never have no song where a chart in a Jamaica for the last 6 years. People, the last 6 years was 2020, you know? So you tell me say for the last 6 years, no Alkaline song never a chart in a Jamaica, brother. Boy, Triple X, I don't know where you get your information from, dog. You're sick, brother. You're sick, brother. Me I tell you. Better you say you don't know. Better you say you never know, bro. You see me? Better you say cause that's madness, bro.
Not drop. His streaming does not drop. Whenever him keep a show, it is sold out. Because his fan base is strong and alive. And they are in tune to him. So whatever body of work he put out, his fan base are eager to accept it. So whether I don't want to like it, I want to say, oh hurry, or oh this a fucker and some music. For you to say that I am talking fuckery, that shows that you're an idiot.
Brother, all me I say Triple X. You say some good thing, you say some fuckery. I say it go, brother. You see me? Yeah. What you say, all that thing them you say, I know everything are true, bro. Some of them are fuckery. I say the dancer, say Alkaline and a dancehall artist, I fuck with that, brother. And the painting narrative with the vendetta people, them. Brother, you be a sugar dog, to be honest. And one of the worst things, you got to say for the last 6 years Alkaline no chat in Jamaica. You're sick in your brain, dog. Yeah, man, people them can say you fuck your chat this so. No fuck your chat in a video, dog. You see me? But at the end of the day, bro, are your opinion, you see me? I mean say it's the fact or the truth. You see me? Yeah, but I saw you go when I go beat it for your opinion. You see me? But people, you don't know I want me the facts. Big up on yourself, you see it? That is it.